In this video, we're going to replace the tailgate hinges. First thing we're going to do, open the tailgate. We're going to remove the cables with the flat blade screwdriver. Pull up the tailgate just a little bit to relieve tension. Pry this tab over and slide this cable up. We're going to remove the cable on the passenger side. Lift the tailgate up a touch. Pry this tab in with your flat blade screwdriver. Pull the cable up and release it. You're going to lift up the tailgate to the point where the passenger side hinge releases. Pull straight up. Grab the driver's side and pull towards you to the passenger side and remove the tailgate. So we're going to remove the driver's side hinge with a T50. Start the top bolt. So we're going to reinstall the new tailgate bracket with the old bolts. I'm going to line it up, start a few threads by hand. Both top and bottom. So there is a little adjustment in this bracket. There is a little adjustment in this bracket, so you may have to move it a couple of times to fit it in just the right spot. We're going to replace the passenger side tailgate hinge with the old bolts. I like to start the bolts with a few threads by hand. Again, there's a little adjustment in these brackets. Just snug them up. That's it. Once you get the tailgate up to the hinges, roll it back. Pull your cables out of the way. A round side on the driver's side hinge goes in first. With the passenger side hinge somewhat lined up, rotate the tailgate up until it slides on. After you've rotated the tailgate and the passenger side pin slides down, open it up, grab your cables, reattach them by sliding it over the pin, pull down until the locking tab seats. The same thing on the driver's side. Grab your driver's side cable, push it over the pin, down until that tab seats. And close the tailgate.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.